Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
We are going to see a murukku, a very traditional recipe which has got rice, urad dal and butter. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making this murukku. This murukku is also called the Ten Kural and it's a very crispy tasty murukku. This is rice flour and roasted urad dal flour put together. You need to roast the urad dal first and then mix it with raw rice and grind it into a fine powder in a mill. I'll share a link where I am showing you how to roast the urad dal. I am adding sesame seed now. Next goes the carom seeds or the ajwain. The proportion here is little different from the recipe sheet. Recipe sheet is for 500 grams. I am doing a large quantity. I have added cumin here. This is asafoetida. Then salt. Now I am going to mix everything together. Without adding butter or water. Just the raw ingredients are mixed together. Now I am going to add the melted butter. 50 grams for 500 grams of ingredient. That should be your proportion. So accordingly add it. For 500 grams of the ingredients, you will get about 25 to 30 murukku. Since it's Deepawali, I am doing a large batch. After adding the butter, I am mixing it nicely. Now I will be adding water in stages. I will also tell you what is the consistency at which you need to knead it so that it is not too hard or too soft. If it is too hard, again the crispiness won't be there. If it is too soft, it will crumble while fried. I am used to handling large batches, so I am doing it. You can do it in 1 or 2 batches so that the mixing is right. If you are a beginner, don't do beyond 500 grams. Kneading will become very tough then. I'll show you the consistency. It should easily pass through the murukku maker. So keep sprinkling water and check the consistency. It should not be too hard or too soft. I'm going to rest it for 5 minutes. Now I'm taking a ladle and inversing the ladle. It's an easy method. You can see here I'm putting it in the murukku maker. It's easy to do it on a ladle. Gently press it so that it is easy for you and then cut it. You need to spread it nicely and dunk it in the oil. So if you do it in the ladle, reverse side of the ladle, putting it in the hot oil is much easier. That's why I use this method. You can try this. After it is fried golden brown, you can transfer it to a sheet and absorb the excess oil. The most tasty murukku this is, and it's a very simple recipe. anybody can get it. One batch is ready. I'm going to do the other batch. I hope you'd love this recipe and give me your feedback. Happy Deepawali to one and all in the family.